Hey viewers, welcome to the store quiz. Let's check your observation skills. Can you find the odd one numbers, letters, emoji and math quizzes? There are 3 levels: easy, medium and hard. Are you ready? Let's go. So let's start with the easy level. Can you find the double C letter within given time? Nice catch, ready for the next. Hey my genius viewer, you have to spot the odd one out within given time. Smart move, you got it right. Only the real observation challengers can get the odd one out within time. You have solved it. You are on fire. Check your brain power. How fast it worked to find out. If you got it right, you are very sharp. You have just 15 seconds to find the odd one flag. Nice work, you nailed it. Another flag emoji you have to find within time. You are officially on fire. Now it's time to solve the math question. Can you find it the right option? You have passed the challenge. This one is not tricky. You can solve it within time. Nice one. Keep winning. Now it's time to beat the clock. You have to find the odd one letters. Hey, if you have done it, now ready for the next one. 2 people have to boost your IQ level and type the right option if you found it. Brilliant, keep this trick alive. This puzzle will track your brain. Now you have to challenge your brain. Incredible, great thinking. Viewer, test your eyes and try to find the odd one letters. You deserve a perfect score. You have just 10 seconds to find the right one option. Tell me honest, did you get the right one? It's time to start the medium level. Can you find the odd one number within time? I think the real observation challenger get on time. Find the number or lose the game. It's time to challenge you. You people are smart than think. This puzzle will trick your brain. Now you have to find the right one. You are officially a quiz champion. Jump on it and find the odd one out within time. Incredible, great thinking. Hey viewer, solve the math question and find the right one option. The number 21 is the right option. You have just 10 seconds to solve this question. Fantastic, you are on fire. Only the real observation challengers can get the right one option. Ready for the next challenge? Be honest with yourself and find the odd one out within time. If you nail it, drop yes in comment. Don't rush, but don't be slow because time is running. Great, you are finding on time. Challenge yourself and challenge your friend to find the odd one flag. Farmer, you nailed the puzzle. Hey viewer, focus on the puzzle and try to solve it. Boom, that was absolutely correct. You have just 10 seconds to win. Now find the correct one. Sharp eyes, you found it. Hey my viewer, can you find the different one emoji within time? Ready for the next one challenge? Now it's time to start the hard level. Can you find the odd one out within time? Perfect guess, you found it. Can you guess this letter puzzle within time? That was not easy, you get it right. Check your brain power, how fast it works. Good job, now move to the next one. Not everyone can find this number puzzle within time. Perfect guess. I think this is impossible to find this number puzzle. Only the real observation challenger get it. Calculate the math quiz and write your option in comment. The right option is here. Now here is your math quiz challenge. Try to solve it. Perfect guess, you found it. Hey my genius viewer, can you find the odd one emoji? Nice catch, move to the next. You have came to 35 number quiz, you are very sharp. Perfect, I appreciate you. It's the hard level emoji puzzle. Can you beat the clock? Fantastic, you are on fire. Spot the difference and try to find the right option. You are officially a quiz champion. You people have just 10 seconds to crack this puzzle. Smart move, you are doing great. Something is hidden here. Can you find the odd one letter? Yeah, you did it. Boost your IQ level and try to find the odd one out within time. Good job, you did. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. Pick up a challenge for the next video.